bia obia enano pay ni ma yente won kan live on Asempa 94.7 mo second takra de mo tie nka waseda 105.9. We are also live on the internet Adom Online and afi My Joy Online. Live on Facebook sisia ubetimi abie page no Asempa 94.7 FM. Bo yesterday dwumadie no etwago ewo studio Hanmon. So and on Instagram Asempa 94.7 and then on Twitter at Asempa 94.7. ATBBia dana kwa mukama no pay ena otien kawa ha. Mede ni kwadwo mensa moshosho GH kwayo Ghana fo nyina kwayo unta mechi Mevi Samano Professor EK Wallace Countryman Songo Mosisi Abua Abigail Sana Sosu Eric Asiedu Buadi Sergio Manucho Krista Japan Immortal Ajakwa Champon Kobe Stone Executive Producer Samuel Kwada Derechi Sese de Bibia is set there is 7 April now normalization special competition no I wish for Yamutu Adiana Toysum na ene shemu kese bi bekoso and then yebehu but clubs no bi omugina no mugina na said ade na koye no normalization for no oba say clubs na yirimu say yen na say ye determine ba bia football na eko enti ene Premier League clubs no ba bia omugina no mugina no normalization special competition no Emra yeshe format enema nyina ni adane enema ni adane o enema ni adane man saka ya ba anopa ye de emunchemu eba ni ehu the new format ebeba now ye wie sa na enshemu kese bekoso enedua yi abra clubs no esane normalization for Asia and no near whom but the old format in there fashion team say enyadia ebekoso okay so clubs let's say omu win here but elsentiase eye djuma Kumasi Asante Kodoko Efi Cameroon Airland ladies and gentlemen na ediba de na team ni be ya obetimi awini na afei no surprise bi antimi nkoso e Kumasi enkomodie kakra ho ayede eba now transfer window no bie ewo eye amanone na ye kwa ye ba nyina no Eden Hazard Chelsea for say monia bre na mu hia brand na sika e dia to brand ni ti so no nyesika ketwa 100 million euros and pounds afabra Madrid for any break but I him finding the next destination Manchester City for no was high close to Gabo no one bogo sunugumisa a kamiensa it's back to 4 points on the Premier League table and I pay and come on I didn't know to the amount live on Asempa 94.7 na said no pa bia ya no ye be kan edit the wokata abadum nsema tuda akua a champama wa ha wakori nyina mu na ensebe de obi ka kire wa enano pay akua ba na bibia bokọ de Oye me Johnson bibia nso ye bokọ ye de yi na me de yi pa sa me dan so cheye ye de nyame ase so na me kra na me di nkomo enwuta manfa so kra wow okay it is adia china se bibia ekoye dia edi na e wo se eja boyemu na yehu dia ba no emu nsem etwago ne enko Emusia no pay ya mo che e de ba ye ultimate sports dwumadie so ha de eduro no passe ya heshi popopopopopanti emrane e de pai no ane se she
say we somewhere a best show we somewhere upeso somewhere and so to me exercise we won sasu gloves ne enoko se me duru na what to me upeso somewhere na sa de ne what did say na wakọ sa empty ensi anopay mama enye usei ewo edobokrata ensemu me fonfo ase ewo daily guide edobokrata mu na anopay delegate democrats e de ababetudwa ne banner headline no esopa wasi AG Yoko storms Dubai over #1 arrest what the ababetudwa say attorney general asoye no ene Yoko empenimfo ena asesei enu a wo mode omuti apemu wo mano a ene he Dubai manu na asemu a wo mo ede kone say edom ya ekono sofo abedi eche ya ohwe emrani atente Samson Joseph Penga ena wodi edomenim ene wo makoma sem nyina ne sai na na pia mensa #1 wo ye dana ni ba enti san ho ko ka dwema ko din sensema e wo Dubai memu a esese wo tumi ko bi se bisa Dubai man no e kwa wo betumi afa so ne nka wo gene e de ne ba memu na wo bedi na sem e wo ha se be ye nti enama sofo be de eche Joseph Penga ene empanimfo Yoko mpanimfo enyina etu anamoko Dubai enra se okohwe ho anamo na watu na delegate enimu ha se ya no de betu say NDC seals issue over by election ayawa so was wagon by election a ebekoso ewo busumi e womni de toso aduasa ba akono NDC amanyoko nu dwentemi wo empatam honom owura Bernard IT ena wade asamna kopie court so da bi kwaya isifo peso mo efa so to aba no etia oman ne mra no chese ye bibi sa ekosi atorenche bi kosi ne be by election esa se eye ne form akomako adusia enso so ba bia isifo de akwa sende kwan no wadodo eboro sa enti wo ya to oman ne menti court ntobi ma no na abato ne be ya wo mo famra ida se 26 anaso omo ntwemre ni mu ekwa ne chese ne emra no na odi so no na pay delegate de Sabamanie se Mami Josephine Santi tema port Piero Penny ya nipa aminfo bi kodi na wuo eje ne krafri ni nsem no apostle forte so mo hwehwe mo medical ya nje se maame na nsa kura na wo mo bekunu no yeto no mo na afri so mo ko hunu se mama deje mu no na eniema bi asisi ho no mo a enye asem ketwa enti anopay delegate ede amane bebre na enam ya odi just maame so there was a sexual assault ewo ansana woko to na nanom ewo nsiado no im ayo krata ni daily statement so ba mane no chese police for confirm say they were men's good #1 o match no Dubai enti so ho nsam no na krata enso ekoso ba mane say ewa Ismail Jakum on the commissioner regulatory commission no PRC IC for no and what you say o hwe o mai mu na sentem amanfo se anke ba betu tiles mu ya ba betu na se da bi wutuma enye kwa ntimi mfa o mai sika ekosoro dollar na ekosoro no enyina so nkase wo betu enu tie ba Jakum se wono a wa ye chairman ane ema technical committee ewo PRC no enya do behwe ma sa de yakoso da ntumi bi eni ho ye ba se du kati aso kasa no che se NDC fu emu ntie no e ba ne se emai mama so awade na sa mo kwa ware a mo wa ware MPP fo ware MPP ni pe enkwa ni nyi ba no wo mo show mo se ai mo mra mo moto aba mo MPP mo to mo MPP wase mo to so gu fa akwa le pro huru ti mo NDC fo no mo wa mo ho na enkwa no NDC doctrine ni nyina ye fa mura mu wo ho na enkwara ngwa di MPP for side ejere no ho nkomo nie ene me dey today the Democrat to so no pay today the Democrat so abamane won chese na no na ke dwin se fulani won sensem ye koso agugu etu akotwe ba bia twe ama bibia to atwa na so se kwasiko no ojankontia fulani fo akotete nkontia hwa menu adwo ene wasa atie simu biemu wote simu na no wa agugu ene behei etu ne nkrante ekodi asie ema forestry commission worker baako said the yeti twitwa me sekan na sum nyina ya biebi ho eno no wode memo posi sadom penimpa IGP owu asante pietu enfo na ba beto asa ne wonsa ne memo no enkenya wo mu biem efrise agogo fulani nsensem no asa sori biem no fulani fo de wo monsa to agogo man no eso eno ati na wode beto dwa no awia no yati Ghana ye kabi shemu yati jammom ewo alavanyo ne mpete mo honso so etututu ama ne hume so duma ya odimekum ekwawi echenu nipa mienu ena wo koto wo mu ene se police military police ena ne emebuna wo alavanyo ekobom punimpu watua no ewo honom me ekwawi eche no wo mu dada etuo mu egu wo ho so a enipa mienu asabre meka se nipa makomaku nsia de wo mu so dabrem ene wo mutibia no ede paaje se nyame ebem eno ti wo de police penimfo na ba metoa chese anopai de se wo kwa gogo na wo kwa alavanyo famantemu a esese wo yire ne ho na ne mema no edu mo nan esi from papa
krata bi Ghanaian Times GT obama ne o say police ni baako ene nipa mi no omusuzu omo say efro omo omo ye national security for ena sabi the police for achi omo na dan ya omo kwakobọ kro no fita pa ani sika a ma je film crofon enya sam keto akwenti nam so ama sabi the police for achi nti Lance Corporal Nathaniel Akomia ena afi obi o say efro no national security boss omunyina ya che wo sabi kata de wo honsam aba ana house boy omuches wo mami a gofokoku ni Mrs Josephine Asante sabi house boy no empeni de aba betu dwa ne wo de bokata mu ese o mache no se na mbeboa ama police nhwemu a wo yeri nyina no omotumi aye confirmation nam 1 nam ewo Dubai
and the Memphis Daily Graphic, truth, accuracy every day. Memphis and 12 so. Now, no pay one so the Nana Pia Mensa and one informing about better say, men's go to you as I bring a symbol for the Anamua Passo, Pebie or Ghana, a Camesa Pebie, one Namno, and a Yahoo, super, said the Tiana said the I and Cass and Namnon Kayetu cranky.
Now, most of the Omo do the bar charger. Omo the board into inti a chain wo ho no ehun makwan so be release no amai o my Ghana guess I just omo ka sasa me we Dubai ho ansa
it is mra no be chire mra no
na chese ade no kwa no aye tricky kakra because over Dubai mra no eye foreign treaty emra hodo na wo na wo no mo nso dan fo mo nwura papa because wo no wo mo man ni nyina wo mo de tourism na agina enti wo mra na hyehyɛ baabi sɛ obi ba ho no ma wo kwan so wo ye bone kura wo ba Dubai ho na abeche no
wo mo de lipa na ji wo mo hyehyɛ
enti wo ma twetwa mo afri international treaties ahodo mra no bebre mu enti wo ahwe age sɛ enu yen ko ho abeg na yenye
ya
ready be say na anopai papa special hospital owura Martin Ebike Amidu special prosecutor anopai wode was Ghana for afraid na no crack no man penny run so obo ni ti so Ghana for obo na pampa so wo bi say amount for say de wo mo di any potse omo potse wo mani hwe no se bu na ni tie no do so Ghana for so say bia yama na so no wakwa kwotena se na wa hia da na konwa bia esiesi so no wada say pam sebe enwo a esi ese fridge mu wo se da bi wo ye adwuma no wo ye plan na tomre bi yese obeto obu ase aye nhwehwe mu akosi ase ansa na wo de obu kwa janse ne bia wo de na kona se de wo se nsam de ne wanya eta wo sapo ente se de wo ye bibia wie enche bia Ghana fo behu ne se persecution efrase a ekoso ente se de wo de nsam no ama eye persecutors a enche bia Ghana fo behu se okoye no wa nkotonko akohwan kromo ewo na so eho
abutre
na odwuma
am
said Amidu ni mudro ene said de nano eye chabe ni nti amonfo bi so techiro mo we say
ana no edin
chabe no na maka no ukona akotehwe we ni maguase nti yenya no wabotre kakra no ni hwemu ni siase na yedan a yebekwa akodu baby aye kwa say omo so mu say no so new year school wo mu efrase enu a you na enu a professor ayi ena wokokasa ye na odi tudwa say I Ghana boy ya bo fam nyina ye tumi ni miensa ni nyina de ma mampani so na enya bibia nti enkabe den na nkeyetiwe Bank of Ghana wobetimi afreni portal sey wo ko yisi asasrasa wo ko institution nyina asasrasa enti wo se mamra no se ebetumi pa gira ya na so se oman Ghana as I said mambrano ye nsakaye me agige tumi ni before mampeninsem me de me mema institutions ahodo no na o matumi aye adwuma frese wo mo ya na asa atwe na be se frasa ha de habo ko
you got any concerning guide obama ne you were honest mampenina da na kasa no chese nkofo bi de dia ko dilesi bi men's good ho chese wono papa jeje ni sika ko di ho bi no se me what moto sansa na motwamu me papa Jerry me first ka bia ngokoto ho ekwa na o hye o ka kire men's good impedifo de say sales never bon tomo mu ye pa say o mo ye mistake ni dia go hye o mo nyifirim sansa ono no mo ni dwa bia e wo say sa ni din e ba bon tesa enti opani na ka say koko board for mpani fo nso kasa no mo che say say the price na etie bia no koko no ye be maintain a price and say the tepepe enti mo bia enkasakra
the fine akwakopiem ewo edumje adwuma ekonum na wotesesa wo de 2018 eba beto ekototo 2017 ho a eja hyehyɛ ye eba ye no nipa aduanan 44 ena hwere wo mo nkwa ewo 2018 na wotesesa wo de ko wo hamu nchemu etese ekwanimu kakra nso yara ena pani ya woda dumbe adwuma ikono ano Edwin Ekoblansen na de tudwa se emodi a ye boy ye 2018 mu emeja hyehyɛ ba fam no afin so ye momode na ye nteso na sabre ye so ko braf mantamu a eja hyehyɛ pa jai wo jane se rof enti ene opani Ekoblansen on chaneni enko ho. That's right. Na bianya fan.
Yeah, trust fa.
Bajo. Yenko dia na ye be politics what ase. Na ye eneye blade na just finder sports. Na eje hu na ye de aka no atwa so finder sports ba front page or say a Sipon Stadium in ruins. Kwajo kan 2008 Sipon ya ye see ye kama fefefe ya. Just say ukopie mo pictures no to say yes we Sipon Stadium no Ghana ne ye maintenance culture ye ka ho say de bia ya mpanyifo entie no eno ena egusu a ede ye kwa kopie bebia ye de we na say xylophone cash to withdraw GPL sponsorship na msinamo asema amu bisei record ni
asema nyasi ndi
asema amu bisei kwa jobe piemo se transfer window no ebie enti no anya sem ketwa kra te se transfer se a wodi bi buy se Eden Hazard 100 million and Chelsea di ato ne so a te se
ebeden wo
a te se obe piemo a
obi nton akoko be de keke wo
enti some dey abase 100 million om di ato ne so a te se Madrid pen dia om fa 100 million na emra okay enti say he went close to Chelsea move kwajo Gonzalo Higuain enko ye
bad move
kwajo si anyo tie ye mo ye ni ye na mo akofa sorry pa
mo ye be nwa keke na we de no ba ye premiership mu Chelsea ye mo jamu na mana be goals aguma Higuain na obo de bre we well ye hwe
Gallant Kotoko arrive home ena womo ebepie mu wo Ghana na te se eho ensem abepie na xylophone cash to withdraw GPL sponsorship kwajo no the question na mark abanati na
study na
ayeka afa na Musa baby sase e
clubs no so omo je half die nti yem se de mu adi no enu ano no this is sponsorship be any obi
baby okay editorial of I find the sports say our poor maintenance culture can't continue and there you come United's counter attackers back na fan zone or say do you think Man United will finish in the top 4 at the end of the season? And the question I will be say do you think Man United will finish in the top 4 at the end of the season? Now Ruben Obodai Ediaba or say I firmly believe Manchester United will make the top 4 considering their former exhibiting and Deladem as Manchester United will definitely make it to the top 4 and Emmanuel Amanfo say it's still early days yet with more matches to go into on the one preno now Evans supposed to say I don't think they can make it to the top 4 because Oja Masa gap no so papa is wide they say almost that 6th position now gap no wide papa Chelsea and Spurs aye wild anya sem keto akra ntino so be pm top 4 there e be den Manchester United
41 points obetimi am top 4 enya nyame den kra ma no
yo na ba center spread there since from the European leagues no and also so was center spread ho and Sipon Stadium in Rose ho enfoni nyina wa ha obetimi enya the Finder Sports na watimi akenkan ho de ko ene de ba kwadwo se Jack a cap organizers begin talks with clubs over second leg.
Okay.
So now Ghana Swimming Association we say they are disappointed in swag. It says so the PMA swag nominees are for the awards no. Swimmer bia na Usha Abeku Jackson was setting new record this year 50 meters freestyle 2008 gold 18 Gold Coast Commonwealth Games no Abeku Jackson was setting new record over PMU dia na US based swimmer Jason Atta ono so setting new national record 50 meters backstroke say enya senketwa omo Muhammadin wo munyina no obi ani ho a obetimi PMU the nomination no nominees no the ma swag awards a beba so eti Ghana Swimming Association for one highly disappointed and swag yes swag
for no
papa
the man feel
ye bie to ho say swag for obi anfa na yimra what you say obi an fa ne nomination emra na wo mu nhwe etutu ena swag for no mo
the man mo nomination score
obi ade koi eti no enya yi bia Ghana Rugby Club Championship begins this weekend. We be PMD Ra Herbert Mensah president papa. Ne rugby no wo money ye fe papa. Championship ayo mo boy every year bia no. Baso a enya sem ketwa na enkrafo Accra ni Cape Coast enya sem ketwa Accra. Na me de me club me join the Dansuman Hurricanes. Wo mo and I'm support yo mo. Na oye Lions for ne ifo nyina ba be hia Griffons for Stallions UCC Spartans Western Cheetahs womu nyina eba be hie mu anya asem keto akra na finals no e won kran krom ha match second na eba so a enya asem keto akra ntino hye so wa wani gi rugby ho no rugby de papa ntima wani enye ho Japan Olympic Committee president indicted on corruption charges is yate won sama Daily Graphic sports page di odi abakotoko were fired up by sense of history Amos Olomo Frimpong captain papa and what they nasem ebaya and also so the Daily Graphic Eddie Abba the GT Ghanaian Times sports page so they are or they Abba Sesike akuno cautions against complacency wa catch one say ma womo enye complacent crass it say the see what baby no ebetimi so see what baby foforo entina mo channel so players no ma mo nya complacent GBF plans towards Olympic 2020 the pa some be planning them some be track 2 months now na mo be prepare Ghana 2019 rugby fixtures announced and also SM abe PMuna yankoshe ensem kakra ye sportsmen no womo atwete ede abana Twitter abakojo Kasim Nuhu Adam say onim no Black Stars defender say Junyame peace and love #peace #love and what Twitter na Abdul Fattah Safiu or say she prays for you before she prays for herself. Rest in peace, mom. I miss you. Oh, alhamdulillah. Nyankopon fa ma me ensie ibebi paye. Good organ or say what a perfect week. 19 goals in the last 3 fixtures. Such a great team spirit. Come on, City. Kwado enwa City game no unne sen.
Oh, Zombogum.
No. That's when we na nya de bully the red card it was too harsh. At least in yellow card won't be bad. Tackle no more than kakra de but straight red card ne de now it was too harsh it's almost spirit ba fam but Gabriel Jesus or ya in the 10th minutes now no share first goal and then the penalty ni beto no man fan counter me goals ni bebre and a pa wadi say mu just a third goal no so ebeto asoma mo nya 3 win nti ehun sem Leo San is 3 points and one mark no correct no de aba now many packer say it's fight week team packer hashtag Park Brona on Adrian Brona and a womode bout na basso weekend yeah many packer atweted the Basina Williams say playing solo this time and the advisor Chum say we back to business first training section and I just see Lingard or say that's what we do the united way hashtag together stronger and also Ede Abba Kwajo myjoy on adomonline.com and myjoyonline.com also so Ede stories ne Obi Abba and also kenkabe hu de akwane de about say Premier League's clubs making enough sense ora kwami ntofianko ahya e no beka no na obepiem so a ose wasn't after backs Premier League clubs claims na say wo munye mpanifo nyina e support Ghana Premier League for wo boycott of the NC competition and na wo se wo meet na wo ajojo na wo di bibi papa bi aban adepa yasempa yate yasemde se wo ejojo na wo etimi edi bibi abama Ghana football asa ababak ama enije ede abba tete na to say some kakra ndo bokata ne online and it tweets sportsmen ede abba no eno na mosomfo pa meveza manofa lady adorable lady nana adodankwa ekufu ado ne papa bi on the airwaves mede abramo na me ba bia ya kwadwo so egina so peme ya chese wodi ramia ne rera munyina ewo mu fiefie mo ekopim 10 am dia ye rezi tracker no Mr. Papa ne friend said do what aboso kan ne friend say Mr. say e just say Mr. Obi mutafa na chese we bia e just say chia wa aboso kan be ye ba ho enche bia de ye fantansa what they say
and ye chia kwamforisu wa Madina
kwamforisu wa Madina ye chia kwamfori wa Madina ye chia mi na ikwafu akoto ewo akwam akwamakoso mo kwanso ho etebia
enti Australia opina chase na o kasere na de no and now we need 49 minutes to win in the first game. This is the first Grand Slam of the year.
Win the first dollar what amane ba black also who said onu black ne de ofeni agro say ne omo abrofo ne bu blacks ne nimtia no wakoto black door pa fefefe no de ama ne ba no say my black ni nko
me ni kan ye ni komo ba ko sisi na ye hwe we say kotoko Africa o ma jibi kotoko pedigree wa Africa and there no two ways about that say kotoko in terms of the pedigree wa Africa because competition ya na eboya ye friend CAF Champions League first na ye friend Africa Cup no kotoko friend as makomako 7 wajimu mienu but ye dani ade ne ba Champions League no ne mama ye den amakoma si asante kotoko now obo CAF Confederations Cup sa cup we kotoko finals 2 ni na olusu bako against Asufuk the last time was 2005 but yenhwe baby akotoko akoduru ya akaka krabi na ne nan which say ne nan bako ewo money zone mu no kwambes no befa so a all experience any shock bia e okumase yempe shock bia e okumase ye penku nimdie na opanyini bako a wo lead kotoko na odi kotoko akwa Africa ama omatimi ewura money zone mu bako eye Ura Jarvis Pepra Jarvis, good morning.
Good morning, Koro.
Na bacho apom ti say
na me adom ya ba hope someone so be ahoye
Yesu adom bibia boko ye da se ena no pay ye to za fro waje so na wohwe Kumasi Asante Kotoko abakose mu a Champions League any Confederations Cup format for ba ye ya na nemu mu eden pa but I remember very well say time ana we Kotoko chairman we lead team no mo yadia ni adia but yehwe Kotoko performance on Sunday, how did you see it?
Much at phone, especially Kotoko supporters. If I know any GM, because the outcome, a woman said some of us know hoops, yeah, finding we are saying Bagana, but yeah, I knew say be a bit me out, that is, you be 3 goals away. It's not any GM.
Oh, okay, but we share team Nankasana, Ujidie team Nasika prepare no, Ujidie.
I'm just say the football because based on results, and as they say the Wama Abia team in the Kakra, they say the Wami and your confidence with team when they on one week and capabilities will be to me the Kotoko IB Papa.
A debate in the Kotoko ye. As I say, in recent times, no, yana performance no Africa no. IBB oho what dream no Kotoko Oma qualified da and I say careful second leg no on Sunday.
No, I say very, very careful because he unqualifying ye. So more free Reverend or say Kofia or Beka Chairman say there was a time bina Okochi Kotoko. Ye kwa ways Africa ya bi ekoya de pa until him say Kumasi a foregone conclusion. The then FA, the Ghana coaches, experienced coaches are no more under sports council that time. In Abeka or Sekofion, to make it easier for Kotoko to qualify. Unfortunately, Kumasi, he legend Malik Jabel, and also Echo coach team bi I think say Burkina Faso. You call Koya the ultimate decide team no coach or Burkina no by Kumasi. E be ye feeling. Until ye but then the back on say after the match Amos Frimpong captain in the interview be okay so na ya aware of that deadly word that complacency no. But I didn't the almost year vocabulary. Until almost prepare for the match, no said there. I feel crying, I had the first leg. And then Dr. Che, George Amwakon, almost experienced people at George Amwakon handle teams. Until I know Sir George, they say, but be a psychologist, Papa, be will be alone. I saw me be the better not players on change. 1 week he play or camp all there. I saw many bit now. No too many players, no casa now Sake or more said there. So psychological a bit about almost so of thinking say, oh yeah, no, a bit may feel or more team. This is what we should do. As a preparation, it is a speaking so the team quite dead. So after the criticism, so now from a section of the supporters. No, Cameroon, Akoya, Akonya such a huge victory for the club. In the team, Benny, so may relax in Yamaka club. It should not happen. Kotoko supporters, it needs a Kotsuna Stadium host Sunday, Now, a blast of the host or only started expecting the goals no be flow. So the day in our Cameroon, a bit more tough for us. But this is the time as we show the world you junior players now you more say you move we are moved you know my champion players almost say chances my entire now you making sure they bad almost the supporter yes the Kenyans no ball Kumasi you support two team no that hard won victory no. Young Fia Jane Quanos, may the same thing. A baboy and Fasiada.
Wow. Eti Naja say, what can we be say? Like yen Psyche boys, no, na ye make sure. Kumasi Sports Stadium, one Babaya Hono. Nipa before say, I said, boys no bobo wa, na pressure down so, and in almost every game, be a team now ball Kumasi Biano, they concede. Some pressure no, players no ball. Under Kumasi no how can they overcome it?
Meaning how I beat me as players, to know now, I made me fool for you being a psychologist in the first place. CK, the tactics are all by now, and so who the loopholes, who didn't. ABM concede the goals for Kumasi Stadium. But no sign say team, MN convinced Kumasi the head then concede the goal, David. You need to me about Wabra as the goals were bright, young Shayan, young concede. And to me, so sad, didn't say the between teams, oh, Kumasi the head then team never born a baby. I want them back. Kotokoya capable of rising above. Something like this. And Kumasi, yeah, dear. This is a control near the fear, Kosayemu. So, dear, you concede go. I feel if I be my car, yeah, say, you meet me, I go through. Look at the Cameroon there. Yeah, question 5. I consider 2 o'clock. Indeed, there, my usually concede goals, no. I want to speak and no, they're not doing cost, no, any players, not smart, and not almost planning for you. So they be outside and you beat me a year free.
Okay. So the last time I got a call money zone, una now is you, me boy.
Another one, my emotional like I'm one of them. Are you true?
Some guy said the last time I got to go money zone, you were the CEO.
Yeah, you true.
And but at that time, now how did you net to say? Because now name what thing second will beat me according to that extent. And after that, I could go send money zone everything there.
Yeah, but that time, honestly, that feeling saying to me, Ramon zone, the players at that time, you're taking match after match. Now you're I said, now you're the see a boko and we qualify, but they're not at the end of the day, by especially in at some point, also that time, now you're boy a ball or bossy.
Yeah, me kaipa.
Now you're in ball league now. And you know, could do situation we do it because I'm not getting money to pay for the bonuses for the players. No, this is a for and I know a beboa. Now my boys near Jigakla. And he could do like a last match to say, I need him so, yes, Shepa, and we won 6-1 also. I was watching. And then Madagascar team. And I think it's an interview I granted. Was stadium just after the match. I think I wept because it was tears of joy and energy. Said, boys now go through a sacrifice here without saying you bonus ye, no more than Sikapa been to bottom, no qualify for money zone at this cabin brain. I'm a boys Nanyaji. No, and that was it. That feeling, it was huge, it was something. I heard my mind, but yeah, come there. Yajiyamba, so say to me do baby ayeko. We were playing, we were winning. When you Tunisia fall to Elali for now, you could a Champions League proper. You do baby Omukugu and Masino. See, I'm about Kotogo for fancy a team come up and beba. That's correct to say. And players, you almost trade history. Maybe now will come something that happened about some 12 or 3 years ago. I feel unfortunately into me could be. And this is the opportunity for the boys. So almost so right.
Right. Okay. And say Sadia, Yadubesia na Yashe is answer once time mutimi koko dru ho me giri say we musu betimi akwakoye. Unfortunately no, there's no
I better.
Yo, that was Yanvesia. I'm saying one hammer on the psychologist. Me, you say management and paying for 80 on the Duma, but Manyan say Unia back baby into the Mayako.
Oh, yeah, Madam also. Until next weekend, you know, into do a memoir.
Yo. Jarvis, yeah, that's it. Right. Okay. Eti Jarvis Pepra and Yedena Casano na Ohe said the city na Kodokwa country a womu A3 and won't come on the yedia or Makodin Kunimo Cameroon Abano. Na the question is very simple. Adiano yempe shock biya. Etina ye pese ye disankomoi. Ni make sure say Kotoko supporter bi amfa hye ne team say Kotoko akwa win e Cameroon enti Kotoko qualify. What you say? Ball na ye ball e 2 legs home and away. Enti ubo ba ku wi a on qualify ye. He just wabo miru na wie ansa obetimi do say si ubo say wa qualify. Na yenko amano so na ye ne coach ba ko Frimpong Manson or a former player of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Frimpong Manson.
Yeah.
Na coach Apom Boko there.
Oh, na me adum Boko.
Yo. Now Kotoko include me die na omko nya e Cameroon. Especially when nipa bebre adwe om so team no nyina ne na so ye mo league or Ghana na I say one more competitive matches no minim say as a surprise to you there first of all.
Oh, me Jitumuta, because me feel say time almost starting. Me feel say a bold decision management in take here. As at that time, me akwana me one of the people I know more doing say and so Kotoko echo because Kotoko enye ready and that kind of stuff. So for me, I think that a friend is saying and a decision no more I decided somebody and then I'm say I work it's working well for them. So for me, yes, a risk no more take here, but it's like and home for so
right. But yeah, now earlier on I can say born with a 2 legs before I can say what qualify. There's a tendency say Obaka so ya mawie because Makowini ewa way and then one we are no benya shock the second leg you know everybody no betimi aye in order to get that convincing win no for the over the 2 legs no
any mappy necessary almost they said they now can the fact say what we need the first leg you know and say automatically who be winning the second leg and no there omo de sa adwene show mutremo I think say emwa team no kra ko team na omo no koboy no it doesn't mean say the same performance na team no so baba because we know what team akwa win e won only home and ono so can come and then win and we officiating in Africa now I think say improve by about 70-80%. Because say no call be home next out me your near my year you can also win. So and no there me feel say and say omo dey show mutrim and examples are there bebre wo ho say omo ehwe. Because you ne Asec I think 92 was the same. You go win 2-1 in Abidjan. E ba Kumasi almost be say 3-2. So we mu nyina wo ho e be guy the Kotoko now. And then even 2003, 2004, then I'm Razak, Kotoko. Yakobo 2-2, and when you take 2-0 lead, and Ombeti 2-2 in the second half. Omoba Kumasi, they gave us a scary moment, because at that point, you know, any panel, or lose game maybe, all he needs is all winning. Oh, and that's all winning by 1 goal. We have 2 goals, at least 2 goal difference. So such a team, no say Oba, he has nothing to lose. Obetime decided to come with 3 attackers, 4 attackers, because already we. So for me, a idea as I say, almost transfer and then normal head the approach, very very well. I think say and say almost a dream the supporters in a dream no be because. Because France no be feel say what me akose 3 away there overhead so to me show basis obi about the score line and no bonus na e dey the pressure e ba to team so I think CK should sit down was or no more first and then one heard the approach a bit me aboano it's about qualification not goes to do obese sometimes we approach a bit me my game no fair but you get the results So for me, a opportunity for him to also make sure say onim team no mabo and then onim team if there's the need say obey change so ye changer as I say or change
if there's the need, said approach, the call or better son, or the chance to also earn. So it's about the qualification and about the fans. Say, will be it will not help.
Okay.
So for me, it's almost a
yeah, because now maybe sir now we can about the pressure and clear the fact that anytime in recent times they concede Baba Yara and you can see say maybe they play under pressure. Kumasi on how can they overcome Sadia no say no say to me compose your na the resource I see here no now we don't play under pressure or the second leg no
na make no say invitation na omo fan show trim say one omo fans na so mo ti ase say the fact about me akwa 3-2 away no and just say we game no and omo the kind of players omo won now generation almost same ebi to me pressure no so as so munya abutrema omo te we mu na yewo and then baby omo sie do kwa be na ese be fa so if say enkoyi a ese say yenya abutrema omo let's support them but say obinya chance no say anana enkoyi and then almost start in a way and we na necessary bo and almost say almost start and no there because 3-2 away 2 goals say Ebia say homa anka omuntumin says that 3 because pressure anka omodibe ma omo no afia basa bon say players no obi o good position kra na or pass am obi ana say obon say wakoshe obi achi on person oba be receive pass na sa nyamanema so it's time says the fans also take game na say game no atesa and this first ni bi like a pointer Omoni Ice Gold coach Tiko Kwaka said no make sure now that on that day when we are better than them not open tears yet others always quarter success by now they should be conversant with the game the way they improve and then fans should also learn the game as well as the press and also so for me Pomo a very important role to play to say Kotoko to the next stage and about more goals it's about qualification.
Right. Okay. From I no pay you better say any nkoma on ya twetwe. Na anu ya the okoka ba ye okoka say as good midfield no more than say ense so kasa amedu ba kra na say police for ekoko guide players no any coach no ewo adakoja achi because supporters yentie ho ase. No.
Sa na ma no de me feel say ense say BCB mu kra edu ba bia shameful. Me feel say a friend saying baby then emre na edru emre no ekono say sa game abebo obeka say me control 90 minutes game no nyina opponent no enya bi obenya chances create chances and no chance team no better than you so sa na man that is so motiase and then sad time no ba that is when na omu here support no but you do na say musumi yi omo ma say team no and then what to me in the film. So it's not always about the more goals you scored. It's not about the nice game you play. It's about the results.
Okay.
Right. So and then also improve on that aspect.
Right. Coach from Pomanso pay Yadasene Adaja Wanyana on Yatrin Kobo. Team Nolandia. In the end, be the Yamia Makwasiada, you be share Okumasi. Yo, enti next say 17 no. I'm for the messages eba womo edi hun komo game no said e wo say kotokoye na omutimi edi enkunim ho. Apirugu Chakapama on the way Alande o chese mo show I am watching you live at Zongo Igbe Town. Kudos for the good interviews done this morning. Apirugu Chakapama President, dire supporters, NLD, we Abba was a good one more show. I'm watching you live from 37 Shell as some passports. You guys are doing a wonderful job. No matter what City will do, still Liverpool will never walk alone. Or the Abba, and then I say Tifos Afari Kotoko, don't start the party now. Good job, Mosho. Or the Aba, Ya Owusu, or see more of him. And then Jenfi Eric Kwaku, and Odi We Aba. Michael Asante, or see good one, Reverend Dr. Mensa Moshosho. I'm watching you live from Germany, Hamburg. Could you please don't worry yourself, because the scoreline in Kumasi will be 3-1 against Kotoko in Kumasi. Mark it on the wall. Greetings to Osajifo, Osiadeyo, and Onoso Edi We Abba. Sunday Konzoni or say I'm watching you live from Lakeside Estate, and also Edi the message Abba. Also Bakoswa na Udi Abba na Fiya Jibrea can Edi amount or live on Asempa 94.7 and Wasuguswa Etieno. Facebook page, Asempa 94.7. Follow us on Twitter at Asempa 947. Nafi Yetibi Mko Yenim Ohodomo. Na Yeshe na Yenyu influences here.
Abeku, my business way dear, data some will be poaching voice calls. Now so sir by fourth bundle and network demand media and wame me here she share pa ebe bome do money tumpon. And your bravo the full smart business so e your package from Kubia e wo home nyumeku e ma wo ye wow boss. Sustain. Wa na wo be check data dodo for any local call band dodo a here. Isa for Vodafone smart business so pray we adwuma kan call. Wo data dodo e be cancel. You be rolling over ma wo company no. Wow. And Famoni Senya Wajumati, Vodafone Smart Business one she share mount. Fresh 0302-334040 and I code www.vodafone.com.gh/business/smart business. Now the future is exciting. Ready?
Se no me no ba na oman yi mu atadi adentia efise obia etie Asempa 94.7 FM jumedie kese a yato ne din ekosi say on Asempa FM 94.7 ne amanyofo ebeka na kufu adoko na dware no afata no efeka keke na me hu ye ze opposition say mo ya omo nimbe dia ye gilo ndi ya di pa ogana ye di o ma ya kan na mo de STS de de ba what's a free education ayo da ba te no ba o no ba mo ne wo so na ban etonyum lalubai baby kafo mo ma miete ne temamfo ebeka musika nyina 30 cities me man 9 esi amere na mayenkola ban no to no to petrol ne nsentwofo ahwehwem de atodwa ne nyina kokosi sei Mididio Saibonsu, the Kamehone Mapamfo, the Mumfa Ekosi say Emrel, Ewa Sempa 94.7 FM so, a Juada Ekosi Efiada, no Mienu Ekopim Nunsia Enefa, Ekosi say Ewa Sempa 94.7 FM so.
Mintale wa na de mimblo kuchirang fodo bebodom nyenye dedo ebusuafo na isuwari ebet na ho ama days ahwemofra no na so na moma ye ejuma na rodarani no ni suban no so wo besisa na aha e na afei so Vicky no sisa na wasisa na se wo de fofo ebeda aye kwaye ene na ewie ye se no kuchirang eba na wieye 21st January ya 7:30 p.m. sharp ewo Adum TV so and now my mentally wo twa konwa na twenye na ampaye ebeye den ebeja kuchirang mentally wa na de mimblo kuchirang fodo ebebodom na nye dedo Adum TV ya wazoye
the ultimate sports show. 7 o'clock on the dot, live on Asempa 94.7. Yanko.
Asempa FM. Moshosho medenda.
With Moshosho. Okay, but when you if you see na yanko uni bibi. Minim say afanum yenu na mutem you me ye ketua bi na yeko. Hwe ene bnadai. Premier League clubs. Women normalization committee ebesin konwa. Enra special competition na ye nyina ya kan wasema no omo reschedule ye na reschedule no omo ye no omo fa date bia ma it means that omo nye certain going forward say either say competition ye bebo ana say ye mo na me de ayo how kese yes mo meetings no adjust do. If you like, go and check the first timer clubs no Asia normalization e Walisa Hotel. ABC and now the number of times are clubs no any normalization Asia. And sometimes I get a me and you know I will say the clubs no Ghanaian clubs no any normalization committee no omuntimi emma to a common ground, one common ground with one purpose. Not more organized competition emma players no. Because you see, in the words of Dr. Kofi Amwa, say musi players no and the main architect of the game. Woman na air so far. Then me wouldn't hear your committee more than 10. Yentimi si jina eba kukrampu. Yetumi si jinaye baako se o ne de yakọ na ntiase ya adwuma etino afedie yetumi ahu ye way clear no every players now I'm talking about the actors, the ultimate sports show and then chairman phone bi kra your madwen say football no kwa baba akro mo nye biom football no e baba akro mo nye biom but me main concern ni say for how many times and a club nick normalization be share and near share watching near share adia near share yet when we three and see ba kukrampo say this is the final decision Mr. and nadie my yankom ba biom and na pa de say mokoba na man timi meka bibia nkyere Ghana for any supporters na bo na mo ye no omuti na mo ye stadium one supporters never be share and the supporters they say ye football enti mumma football embra esemu ye mpese be kwa ba ene na asaba ye anansesem biom anansesem no adoso yesremo na se woti place ni bi akosema e na e mobo areho tiesremo entrenched position ni de Mamun say emwa enti say clubs no and minimum I know meetings are koso but anya enough to be going to meetings and not coming out with a decision say ye committee keke ni asaba na boys ni tifie players no na omo tifie and sometimes here anya is na ya baya me ye bosumi aso ye January mu ye we ye bia school amafo tre school fees what you say amafo tre school fees na player no ball enya ketua o enya ketua sam ne ka okọ oje ne player dem obo ne ball oje no winning bonus okọ away no buy scan osoro oba home no buy no waje winning bonus ye kekasi ani 2000 3000 ye bia school we nya bia kotua ye to books etiesemo ade no enye concept ni yeyi ena nya grow ni edi ye can reality players na ebre no etiesemo meeting no and the mamu nya nwie emmeto na sesem enkyere yen medamase yanku anim na yemfa de aka ntoa so messages ni more egusu a eba ye baje na kenka dia mawo na mu na no pay yemfa na sekese mybet.africa enei omukita emu dendenden ena yede eba na mybet.africa no omsika no enye sika ketwa yede gu mobile money wallet mu edemaw straight away woti ase enti misrewada se anopa wotemini a matches no ekoso enu City for bogumu ama gab na be 4 points weekend anoba den enya sem ketwa enti mybet.africa sika no udidi agubotum MoneyGram ekitaimu or say bringing you closer and then Jimre Estate. Mr. George Odro Intiamwa, una our Chief Executive Officer, Emma Aye Gilligood Pharmaceuticals. George Anopay, a jacket here, Enko Efamao. Now, George Odro Intiamwa, or Hodie, Jojo don't tell me, is he alive? Is he there? Is he kicking?
One day, name she
Jojo don't tell me.
Listen, no, he did, Papa. So Gilly good, Gilly good boy. Nyanki can who and I slow.
For example, to catch it. Okay, cameraman, Ghana Football Association, affair. Yeah, affair. Birthday. Okay, wish you fair, happy.
That's still a cameraman, the magic.
Oh, GF, that's a
giant former cameraman. No, try now, Busuka.
Meetings in now.
Don't I continue meeting? I don't
container. Mene no what times be a friend me container. Your containers. Your containers arrive here. Wa ukwadoche na de.
Container.
Mene no common containers. It's happy birthday common.
Common containers.
Happy birthday common Miami Balizi Avenue. It's happy birthday to Lizzie. Yami inshallah.
More fire.
Right, young boy. Now you're wasting the city, but TV.
Asampa 94.7 FM. Ya jumadi no ya sesem. Ya wo oba foforo. Ya sitnemu. Ya de ya sitnemu jumadi a eya foforo kra ebro. Eye edwada kopem efiada. Efi anopa no ndu ekopem pemtobre. Na me maami akua gengema. Wo be hia me edwoda ene ne bunada no. Edwoda eye wa wade sam na be brewo. Awade akate asiso. Awade ade nhiraba. Awade ayesusu dua. Ama foforofo. Awade ade ani die. Hukumafo na atete wo. Ana wase na atete wo. Ninyina edwoda no ye benyamu adisia na bunada ne die ye ko honhoma fa o ewiase a won bibi wo mu o hey ukwada bia hyiame ohima sachiwa akrofi esa ye ba wo mpatamu abehwe ahonidie ye bewura wo jade wo bedroom wo gata ene wo fichire nyina na ya hye sedie ya honidie tie na edu ya wadade a hyiame adwenhira amamrehima bra me no ebehwe wapomudin ho nsem na efiada next na dwam se judge ewo divorce court kache wadanfo ya sitinem efo ya
Live on Asempa 94.7 and wasugusa u 18 no yetwaso and some the dosa go eko ye die
nyame adom ye bu fitin kwa mu ye die
that's right meaning say the first